So if you're using a Chromebook and taking this course, and one of the assignments suddenly says to turn in a paper using a text editor, and you don't have access to Microsoft Word, or you don't feel comfortable using Google Docs, or it may be confusing to get it into the assignment itself, an easy way to turn in an assignment that requires writing is to, once you're inside the assignment, you get the instructions, you read it, you're ready to start writing. At the very bottom of eCampus, there's a button that says Write Submission, because you're going to be doing text. There is a comment at the bottom that you could add, but this is not really the best way, because this will actually just send us text that is not formatted, and it's kind of hard to read, especially if you write too long. So the best thing is to click on Write Submission. You have a text editor which actually kind of looks like a very basic word processor, because it is. So here, just start with the basic elements of of any paper, which is whatever your title is, title of paper. Then start out with an introduction. This is my introduction, or whatever it may be. Then if you're going to have a list of points that you're going to be dealing with, you can outline them, point 1, point 2, point 3, etc. And then this is my conclusion at the bottom. And other things that I learned, etc. And I mean, obviously, you're going to be writing longer than this. This is just a sample, but once you get the basic gist of your paper going, or even as you're working on it, you can format it. You can give this title a heading. Your introduction can stay as a paragraph, and lots of things can stay as paragraphs. If you're going to have a bullet list or an order list, pick one, and just keep on writing and typing, and before you know it, you'll have a full-blown properly formatted paper that is just as good as something that you would be able to do using Microsoft Word or even using Google Docs. At this point, whenever you're done with it, you can just click submit. And when you do that, then the instructor will receive a paper that's readable, that can be printed out, that can be revised, that can be looked at, and it's what we're looking for. Hopefully this helps out a little bit. Whenever an instructor asks for a paper using a text editor or Microsoft Word or any of those, this is a good alternative.